You should know, your smart devices could betray you at any moment. Most people have no idea how shockingly exposed our AI-powered world has become. AI is woven into your home, your car, your city, watching, learning, and sometimes making mistakes. But every smart connection is a new target. One glitch, one hack, and everything spirals out of control. Imagine a single deepfake or a hacked traffic sign unleashing chaos in seconds. The scariest part? The weakest link in your network could open the floodgates for a global disaster. In the next chapter, we'll explore some of the most astonishing AI failures that have already occurred, revealing just how real these risks are. To stay informed and prepared, remember to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into our rapidly changing world. Imagine trusting a machine with your safety, only to discover it can be fooled by something as simple as a sticker. That's not science fiction. It's happening right now in the US, UK, and India. You've seen those viral clips. AI scanning images at lightning speed, nailing every answer. Cat, cat, dog, dog. But what if I told you that just beneath this flawless surface, AI is making mistakes that could change your life in an instant? Would you still trust it? Here's where it gets wild. In the unpredictable world of artificial intelligence, even a tiny, almost invisible tweak can send these systems spiraling. Suddenly, the AI calls a cat a computer monitor. This isn't just a glitch, it's called an adversarial attack. And it's not just theory. These attacks are happening right now in the real world. How safe are we really? Picture this, a simple sticker on a banana and the AI swears it's a toaster. Special glasses and facial recognition tech collapses, just like those viral airport security fails. In 2023, a self-driving car in San Francisco nearly hit a pedestrian after misreading a manipulated street sign. In London, facial recognition wrongly flagged dozens of innocent people as suspects. If AI can be tricked this easily, it raises important questions about how we use and trust these systems. Now imagine the consequences. A world where a sticker or a pair of glasses can outsmart the most advanced machines. The fragility of these systems is both astonishing and deeply worrying. In India, AI-powered medical diagnostics have misidentified cancerous tumors, causing dangerous delays in treatment. These aren't just bugs, they're real threats hiding in plain sight. What if these mistakes happened in your hospital or at the airport before your next trip? Your safety, your privacy, even your freedom could hinge on a single, subtle hack. In 2024, AI-powered police surveillance in New York misidentified a suspect, leading to a wrongful arrest. These incidents remind us that the technology we rely on is still evolving, and vigilance is essential as we move forward. Every day we walk a tightrope between progress and peril. These vulnerabilities prove that for all its brilliance, technology is still dangerously naive. The next AI failure could happen in your city, your hospital, or even your home. It's a reminder to approach these advances with both excitement and caution. If you care about your online safety, your family's future, and the truth about AI in 2024, share this video with friends and family in the US, UK, India, and around the world. In the next chapter, we'll explore how even the smallest changes can impact the world's smartest AI, and what steps you can take to stay informed and protected. Stay with us as we continue this important journey into the world of artificial intelligence. And if you found this eye-opening, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights and updates on the world of AI. Your support helps us keep uncovering the truth, so join our community and stay informed. Hit that like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe for more deep dives into the world of artificial intelligence. Your engagement makes a difference. Thanks for watching. What if I told you a single pixel could bring billion-dollar AI systems to their knees? Sounds impossible, right? But right now, hackers are using these tiny tweaks called adversarial attacks to outsmart the world's most advanced AI, from New York to Tokyo. Even self-driving cars can be fooled by something as simple as a sticker. In response, engineers are working tirelessly to build more resilient, unbreakable AI systems. The journey is ongoing, and each breakthrough brings us closer to safer, smarter technology. If you found this eye-opening, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more mind-blowing insights on AI. Have you ever wondered how hackers manage to slip past even the most advanced security AI at places like JFK Airport or the world's top banks? The truth is, these digital guardians aren't as invincible as we think. Hackers are outsmarting AI systems every day, and most of us have no idea just how close we are to disaster. Picture this. In 2019, researchers fooled airport facial recognition with nothing but a few strokes of makeup. Or the viral video where a 3D printed mask unlocked a phone meant to be unbreakable. It's like watching a chameleon blend into its surroundings, except the stakes are millions of dollars and national security. But here's the twist. Every time hackers find a new trick, the AI learns, evolving to spot these ever-changing disguises. Imagine tuning in to a live stream as a hacker tries to breach a top bank's AI-secured vault. Suddenly, new geofence security layers activate, blocking every move, just like in your favorite heist series. Will the hacker break through, or will the AI win this round? In this ever-evolving contest, the outcome is never certain. Even the most advanced security cameras can be tricked. Remember the London thieves who used printed faces to outsmart high-tech systems? That story went viral for a reason, but just like in nature, defenders adapt. AI gets smarter, more perceptive, and ready for the next attack. Every breach, every viral close call forces our digital defenses to evolve. The cyber battle never stops, and whether you realize it or not, you're right in the middle of this global tech war. The struggle between attacker and defender is relentless, a digital arms race echoing across the world. With every new threat, our AI guardians grow stronger, learning and adapting at lightning speed. Yet the question remains, can we ever truly stay ahead? As we continue our journey, we'll explore a real-world breach that shook the foundations of digital security. Join us as we uncover what happened, how AI responded, and what it means for the future of our connected world. Stay with us as the story of AI and cybersecurity unfolds, layer by layer, challenge by challenge. Living in a smart city, we are surrounded by AI. One glitch could turn our daily routine into a disaster. Our safety, our finances, and our privacy all hang in the balance, vulnerable in a single moment. A single misstep from AI can unleash chaos, viral car pileups, vanished bank accounts, deepfake scandals, and private lives laid bare for all to see. The boundary between safety and catastrophe is razor-thin. Only the most advanced and secure AI systems can protect us. But the question remains, are we truly prepared? As we move forward, let us remain vigilant and informed, ensuring that technology serves humanity, not the other way around. If you found this enlightening, please like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the world of AI. Your support allows us to continue exploring these vital topics. Thank you for watching. Imagine trusting a machine with your life, only to realize it doesn't truly understand you or the world you live in. Have you ever wondered what it feels like when AI makes a decision that affects you, but can't explain its reasons? This is the unsettling reality. AI can process data, but it doesn't grasp the meaning behind it. What would happen if we could change that? Picture yourself in a city run by AI. Traffic lights, emergency services, even your daily commute. The system reacts to patterns, but what if it misses the human story behind every choice? How would you feel if a machine's instinct put you at risk? Now imagine an AI that doesn't just see numbers but understands the why behind every action. Could that kind of intelligence save lives, maybe even someone you love? What if we could teach AI to care about real-world consequences, to weigh ethics and empathy in every decision? Would you feel safer, knowing technology was guided by wisdom, not just logic? Would you trust a machine that could truly tell right from wrong? Or would you still hesitate? Imagine a future where you and AI work side by side, each bringing your strengths, each learning from the other. How would that change your life, your job, your world? The AI revolution is moving faster than we ever dreamed. But will it be smart enough and human enough to keep us safe? As we continue our journey, let's look deeper into the ways AI can be deceived and what that means for our future together. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more eye-opening content on the future of AI. Your support helps us keep exploring the truth behind the technology. Imagine if every time a lock was picked, it instantly became stronger. That's the power of adversarial training in AI, a revolutionary idea that could transform global security from Silicon Valley to Tokyo. Think of adversarial training as a digital bootcamp where AI faces off against relentless cyber threats and learns to defend itself, getting smarter with every challenge. It's like a wild animal learning to survive in the jungle. Each new threat forces AI to adapt, evolve, and outsmart its digital predators. By constantly throwing clever viral challenges at AI, we help it grow stronger, making it safer for everyone, everywhere. Picture a digital immune system. Every attack is like a vaccine, teaching AI to recognize and defeat new threats, just as our bodies learn to fight off viruses. Each digital attack is a lesson, making AI tougher, like a trending vaccine but for technology. But as AI gets smarter, so do its adversaries. It's a high-stakes game of cat and mouse, a global arms race where only the most innovative will win. This is the ultimate tech showdown. Hackers evolve, defenses upgrade. The future of AI security will be shaped by those who adapt and innovate. Securing AI is like solving a massive worldwide puzzle. Each piece is a new idea, waiting for a brilliant mind to put it in place. The next big breakthrough could come from anywhere, perhaps even your city. The world is watching, and the opportunity is open to all. As humans and machines team up, the race for unbreakable next-generation AI continues, and you can be part of this remarkable journey. The global race for next-gen AI is underway. Together, we shape the future, one innovation at a time. Subscribe now and join us as we explore the wonders and challenges of artificial intelligence. Your curiosity and support help us continue this fascinating exploration. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Your engagement allows us to bring you the latest in AI innovation, so stay tuned for more discoveries. Like, share, and subscribe to stay updated with the latest breakthroughs in AI. Together, we'll witness the unfolding story of technology and its impact on our world. What happens when AI doesn't just see but feels, hears, and even predicts your next move? We stand at the threshold of a remarkable transformation. AI is about to acquire senses that could redefine our daily lives. Yet, with each new ability we must ask, are we also inviting new vulnerabilities? Could a single breach truly shift the balance of power in an instant? Imagine AI with instincts sharper than any animal, sensing danger, adapting in real time. But if those senses were ever compromised, the consequences could ripple through every device, every city, every home. Autonomous vehicles, smart cities, even our homes. Soon, all will rely on AI's expanding senses. A single vulnerability could disrupt traffic, halt power, or endanger lives. The question is not just whether we are prepared, but how we will adapt as security evolves alongside technology. In this bold new era, vigilance is not merely wise, it is essential. As AI's senses become ever more pervasive, our collective response will shape the safety of tomorrow's world. Join us at Toolify Tech for the latest insights and predictions in AI security. As we continue our journey, let us explore how we can build a future where innovation and safety walk hand in hand. Stay with us as we uncover the next chapter in the evolving story of artificial intelligence. Here's the bottom line. AI isn't just a distant concept. It's already woven into the fabric of your daily life, shaping your choices, your security, and your future. Every swipe, every search, every transaction, AI is there, quietly influencing what you see, what you do, and what you believe. But with this power comes real risk. If AI can be tricked, so can your privacy, your finances, and even your safety. Think about it. Every time you unlock your phone, drive a smart car, or trust facial recognition, you're putting faith in technology that isn't invincible. As our cities become smarter and more connected, the consequences of AI failure grow more serious. Our freedom, privacy, and even our lives could be on the line. That's why it's vital to stay informed, remain vigilant, and expect more from the technology shaping our world. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. By spreading awareness, you help others understand the importance of safe and responsible AI. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Together, we can ensure technology serves us all, safely, wisely, and for the benefit of everyone.